Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a photo with a smile effect by using CapCut. So if you got a friend that cannot smile when you are in a photo, you can easily edit the photo by using the smile effect on CapCut. So here, just import your photo to CapCut, then click on the photo and go to style, or maybe you can just use the photo effect in here. And here you can see there is the trending one, or you can also see the click on the expression. Okay, so if you got like this photo, this person is not smiling, you can just click on the smile face effect, and just like that, now the photo will be changed into a smiley photo like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, click on the thanks. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel. Bye.